You know that feeling when person just appear for your life and change everything. That na exactly wetin the gift from another woman dey show. From the first scene, you go dey curious, who be this person and why she come dey shake this man's world like this? The actor really carry the role well. You go see him dey struggle with emotions, small secrets dey show, and you go dey wonder wetin go happen next. The way the movie dey build suspense, e dey make you dey lean forward for your seat. E no dey rush, e dey give space make story dey sink inside you. What I like most be how e dey show human side of life, the choices, the mistakes, and the surprises wey fit land anytime. You go dey smile, dey sigh, dey reason your own life at the same time. This one no just dey entertain, e dey make you dey think about trust, love, and the things where people fit hide. Omo, if you dey look for fresh Nigerian movies wey get correct story, drama wey go hit you for chest, and small mind-twisting moments, The Gift from Another Woman na film wey you gats watch. E go dey move your mind, e go dey touch your heart, and you go enjoy every scene for real.